Can you imagine a world without men of skill? A world where nobody have an idea of what they have within them? A world where people just come in and go out without leaving a mark? Now, how will it look like when a child is born into this world and he or she did not cry? I am Frank Ludoku, and this is the business of your craft. Today, I will be teaching you the power of talent. Just stay with me. But please don't forget, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and also comment and share this page, because every week I will be dropping in great teaching on talent. I'll be dropping in great teaching on talent, how you can be able to sell your talent, how you can be able to monetize your talent, and how you can be able to grow from the level that you are to a better level in life. Okay, so please follow me. Okay, and in today's training, I will be teaching you two things. Today I'll be teaching you two major important things. I believe you want to know these two things. Okay, number one, I'll be teaching you is what is talent. What is talent? And in number two, I'll be teaching you the power of talent. Because if you can know these two things, listen to me, your world will be greater and more efficient than ever. The reason why most people don't make great impact in life is because they don't know what they do. Okay, if you know what you're doing, if you know the power behind what you're doing, you can do greater things. But by the time you don't know what you're doing, by the time you are being carried away by just the fun of what you're doing, many people, they are carried away by the fun, forgetting the real meaning of the thing they are doing. That is why they are not creating impact in life. Okay, so if you know what you're doing, you can create impact because of the knowledge you have about what you're doing. Now, what is talent? What is talent? Talent is your creator's view of you. Talent is your creator's view of you. Or should I put it that talent is the creator's view of you. Who you really are and what your ability is and your passion. Talent is a creator view of you, what you really have, your ability, your passion. It is what the creator has installed in you. Okay, now, do you know that every appliance, every electrical appliance, they have a manufacturer guide? Now, that manufacturer guide, which is a manual, is what really unveil what the work of the electronics to you. Without you going to the manual to understand the purpose, to understand the ability of that thing, see, you will not be able to benefit from it. So talent is your ability. Talent is your passion. Talent is what the creator has put inside of you. That is what talent is. See, sometimes for you to get to know what your talent is, you need to be closer to your creator. You need to be closer to your creator in order for him to show you what you are. But believe me, based on study and more research I've done, on this training I'll be doing every week, you get to know your talent. Even though you are an ignorant person of your talent, knowing what your talent is, and you are ignorant about yourself, please believe me, after the whole of this training, I don't think I will finish this training because it's a consistent training on YouTube. It's a consistent training, and the more you listen to this training, the more you get to know yourself better and even do more better. Okay, now let's continue. Talent is a thing that is embedded in you in order for you to make a mark. Talent is a thing that is embedded in you in order for you to make a mark. Now, the truth is that without your talent, you cannot create a mark. Without a talent, you cannot create a mark. You need talent to be able to create an uncleanable mark. Yes, you need talent to be able to create uncleanable mark. Now, you go back to Hitler, Adolf Hitler, you discover that he created a terrible mark, not even a good mark, okay, a terrible mark. Now, that terrible mark is a mark that the world, every time the world remember of World War, I think World War II, they begin to remember Hitler because of what he did. What about Abacha of Nigeria? It creates a devilish and demonic mark. So people, whenever they remember Baasha is a bad guy, Baasha is a bad, because why? He used his talent in an evil way. Okay, so talent is what enable you to create an uncleanable mark that nobody can clean it. That is what talent is. Now let's go to number 2. Okay, the power of talent. How do you know that talent is the creator's view of you? Now, and talent is your ability, your passion. Okay, now let me tell you one thing you need to know again, is that talent is not skill. Talent is not skill. You need to really know how to transform your talent into skill, because the thing that people buy is skill. And so many people don't know how to translate. They have not worked on their skill to become talent. That is why they are still poor. So in this course, the business of a craft, I'll be teaching you all this on how you can change your talent to become a skill. Then how you can also monetize and make money from your skill. Okay, now let's go to the power of talent. Very important, the power of talent. The power of talent. You can never reach the world without you first reaching yourself. Believe it. You can never reach the world without you first reaching yourself. What does that mean? Discover your inner ability. If you cannot discover your inner ability, you cannot be able to reach the world. The world is looking for men who are able to reach themselves before you can reach them. So if you have not been able to reach your own self, how can you reach the world? So the world is waiting for people who have been able to achieve themselves. Now look at great men who made impact in life. What happened to them is that the world celebrate them because they don't just want to reach the world first. They first of all discover themselves and reach their self before they were able to reach the world. So if you can be able to reach yourself first, the world will succumb to you. Reach yourself first and the world will succumb to you. It is only through yourself that you can reach the world. It is only through yourself. You cannot reach the world with any other person. You cannot reach the world with Franklin Ndoko. Because for me now, I'm reaching the world with myself. I am reaching the world. You are my world. The people who are listening to me now, you are my world. So I'm reaching you and through myself. I'm not reaching you through someone else. I'm the one speaking. So the truth is that if you cannot be able to reach yourself, you cannot be able to give out yourself. So many people are so carried away by wanting to reach the world without first of all reaching themselves. See, it is what you have that you give out. The Bible says, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. You know that it is what you discover about yourself that you speak out. If I'm speaking to you today, I'm speaking to you about myself. I'm not speaking to you about someone else's self. This is myself. This is me. So being able to understand the fact that I am reaching you through myself is the key to great success. Reaching the world through yourself is what will make you to sell. Don't try to reach the world through someone else's idea. Yes, you can do it, but you reach the world through your idea is a very important thing. Someone's idea, you cannot be able to use it the way the person will use it. Now let me help you with this. Listen, I heard many people say, hey, they steal my idea. They steal my idea. Listen, they did not steal your idea. They only steal your title. Yes. You can steal someone's title, but you cannot steal the person's idea. Now let me tell you how it works. Now, this is your idea. This is your idea. You wrote, for example, I'm writing a book, or I have already done a book, The Business of a Craft. Now, I wrote that book and I spread the name very wide on Facebook, on Instagram. I published, even while I have not finished the book. I told them, watch out for the book. But nobody knows the content of the book. Yes, that is the idea behind it. Your idea is your content. So nobody knows the content of what I'm about to write. You only saw the title, The Business of Your Craft, but you never saw the content. Someone can just go out and steal my title and name his book, The Business of Your Craft, but my content he cannot. That is why you can see many books with the same title, but read them, they have different content. The truth is that every person, they are working with one title, but they are branding to themselves. The way I think is not the way you think. The way I reason is not the way you reason. The way I speak is not the way you speak. Like some person will say, I like people when they speak slowly now, but me, I'm a fast talker, and you cannot be able to stop me from being a fast talker. Okay, even though I'm trying to like learn what the word is saying, that if you're going to teach, you need to be slow talker. Hello, listen to me. This is me. I have to be real in my speech. I have to be real in what I do. I have to be real in the way I relate. I can't fake myself. Many people, you are faking yourself. How will you reach the word when you're faking yourself? Tell me, how will you be able to impart your word when you are busy faking yourself? Yes, I know there is this saying that says fake it until it happens. Yes, fake it until it happens. But the truth is that they are not actually faking their own self. They know what they have inside of them. What they are faking is their dress code. They are faking their dress. They are faking their branding. Now, in my book, I talk about branding, the business of your craft. I talk about branding. And you get to understand what it means. But when you fake your dressing, when you fake your everything, but they don't fake themselves. Okay? So, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. See, the Bible said that the sons of men waited earnestly for the manifestation of the sons of God. The sons of men, they waited earnestly for the manifestation of the sons of God. Now, the truth is that the sons of God cannot manifest without them, first of all, manifesting or discovering themselves. Okay, you can never impart the word. You can see if you are a Christian and you say you want to change the world and you have not changed your life, and don't listen to me, you cannot change the world. You can only change the world when you're able to change yourself and the way you think and the way you see things. If you cannot be able to change yourself, tell me how you'll be able to change someone who is worse than you. You cannot. So keep your head straight, believe in yourself, and change yourself. It is very important. Change yourself. The sons of men are of this world, but the sons of God understand better the things of the spirit. Hence, talent is a spiritual thing, but it is not the gift of the spirit. I will say that again. The sons of men are of this world, but the sons of God understand better the things of the spirit. Hence, talent is a spiritual thing, but it is not the gift of the spirit. Now, I won't talk about the gift of the spirit here because I have another podcast which I want to do on the gift of the spirit. I will do that later, but now I want to focus on just our talent. Okay. Now, listen again. See, if you don't understand the things of the spirit, there is no way you can impart this word. Seriously. If you don't understand the things of the spirit, you cannot be able to reach out to people who are dying. It is only those who understand the things of the spirit that can reach out to the physical things. If you can be able to deal with the spirit, see, talent is a spiritual thing. It's an embedded thing. It is something that is hidden deep inside. So if you don't reach into the spirit, you cannot be able to fully get the things of the spirit. So you need to understand the things of the spirit. So the sons of men of God understand the things of the spirit. They are like the sons of Issachar. That the Bible says they understand the time. Hello, they understand the time. They are men of great understanding, men of great wisdom, and men of great impact. They understand the time, and they know what the things of the spirit is. Do you know what the things of the spirit is? If you're going to create great change in this world, you need to understand the things of the spirit. The power of talent, see, it can never be overemphasized or overused or over-teach, okay? Because it is so broad. And you can only understand it when you are a spiritual man. Do you wish to create or cause change in this world? Discover your research, discover your talent, and you create great change in this world. Jesus was able to make great impact on this world because he first went as far as knowing himself, his calling, his mission, and his purpose. Jesus went as far as knowing himself, his calling, his purpose, his mission, and his purpose. Now, without these four things, your talent can never stand. Without these four things, your talent can never stand. Talent is bold, is strong, on purpose, on calling, and on your mission. If you don't understand your purpose, your calling, and your mission, your talent will be weak. Yes, it won't even impact life. Okay, it won't reach out to the world. It won't be able to transform anything in this world. Hi, thank you for listening to this podcast. Now, if you want to know more about your talent, what your talent is, you don't know your talent, you want to discover your talent, and you want to turn your talent to skill, and also you want to make money from the talent that God has given to you, please get my ebook, The Business of Your Craft. That ebook comprises of how you can discover your talent and how you can turn your talent to become a skill, and also how you can be able to make money through your skill. See, God give us talent to make money. God did not give us talent to use it to do showmanship and not to sell. God give us talent to sell. God give us gift in order for we to be able to take care of ourselves and our family and people that depends on us. So that is why you must get the ebook. Get it. It is just $6. When you get this ebook, your life will be transformed. Many people have gotten this ebook and they are sharing testimony. And every now and then they call me and they shut me up. Now, what this ebook will do for you, when you get the ebook, this is what it will do for you. Now, when you get this ebook, you have free access to communicate with me one-on-one. Okay, you can talk to me one-on-one. We can relate, and if you don't understand anything, you can also ask questions that I can advise you and give you some good advice for you to take in order to monetize your talent. Getting my ebook give you free access to my mentorship platform. Okay, and what that thing again, below this video, please, you see a link. Click that link and it will take you to the WhatsApp group which I created for live training. Okay, with the WhatsApp group I create a live training whereby I do a live training every month, live training on the business of your craft. And please, one more thing, please, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell. With this, you can be able to get notification when we post new podcasts on this channel. Okay, because every week we'll be posting new things on this channel. So please don't forget, I love you and God love you. And one more thing, if you can conceive it, you can learn it and you can be it. Thank you. God bless you.